Hey guys, welcome to question FM274 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, the table below shows in weeks the duration, the earliest starting time and the latest starting time of 9 tasks needed to complete the construction of a house. And then you guys will have the table in your books with that information in it. Which one of the following directed graphs shows the sequence of these activities? And then we're given 5 directed graphs to go through, and then we've got to select from them which one is the correct one. Now I'm just going to go through option A, which is the correct option, and basically just show you how we would do a forward and backward scan. So to answer this question, we'd probably do a forward and backward scan of each of the options and make sure that the earliest starting time and latest starting times of each of the activities lines up with the table that we've been given. So what you'll find for all the other options is that the earliest starting time and latest starting time for those activities don't line up with what we've been given in our table, which is what tells us that those are incorrect options. So I won't be going through those other ones with you. I'll just be going through the correct option so you can see how it all works, and then you guys can have a shot at the other ones on your own and ask us any questions if you need. So we'll start with A. A is going to have an earliest starting time of 0. B, coming off of A, will have an earliest starting time of 9, as will C. From here, D will have an earliest starting time of 13, given that C had an earliest starting time of 9 and a duration of 4. And from here, E, to find its starting time, we have to compare the two potential starting times. So there's either B that started that has an earliest starting time of 9 and a duration of 9, meaning it would land here at 18 days. Or we have D, which had an earliest starting time of 13 and a duration of 7, which would land at 20 days. Now, as we're doing our forward scan, we're going to be taking the bigger number. So we're looking at 20 being the earliest starting time for E, and also for F. Cool. From here, I will have an earliest starting time of 26, given that F had an earliest starting time of 20 and a duration of 6. G will have an earliest starting time of 29, because E had an earliest starting time of 20, and so G's earliest starting time is 29, given that E had a duration of 9. H's earliest starting time will be 29 plus the 6 days, so 35. And our final time is between either the 31 days that I will be finished after, or the 42 days that H will be finished after, and so we take that 42. Excellent. Now, moving backwards. So, doing our backward scan, we have I is going to have a later starting time of our 42 take 5, so that's going to be 37. F is going to have a later starting time of 37 take 6, so 31. H is going to have a later starting time of 42 take 7, which is 35. G is going to have a later starting time of 35 take 6, 29. E is going to have a later starting time of 29 take 9, 20. And from here, we're looking at our for D, we'd be looking at our 2 latest starting times, either F or E. So we're tossing up between moving, minusing 7 from 20 or minusing 7 from 31. When we're doing our backward scans, we always pick the lower out of our 2 options. So we're going to pick the 20, and we're going to take our 7 away from 20 to give us 13. And B, we're also going to remove that from 20. So we're going to take 9 away from 20 to give us 11 here. C is going to be 4 down from 13, so a latest starting time of 9. And once again, A, we're going to be looking either between a latest starting time of 9 or 11, and we're going to work down from the 9, which means subtracting 9 from that gives us a 0. Now, if you compare the earliest and latest starting times of each of these activities with the ones that you've got in your table, they should match up, and that is why A is the correct answer. I encourage you to also use the same method through all of the options B, C, D, and E, and look for the activities that have different earlier starting times and later starting times to help you figure out not only why A is the correct answer, but also why the other answers are incorrect. If you have any questions for us, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.